165 million years ago, a catastrophic strike wiped out not only the dinosaurs, but practically every animal. This was Earth's most recent great mass extinction, and left a large number of niches in its wake. Mammals rose to prominence in the aftermath, with the first humans arising less than 1 million years ago. Here is Top 10 Facts About Earth You Possibly Never Knew. Once thought to be the topic of legend, a boiling river hidden deep in the Peruvian Amazon actually exists. It's not actually boiling, but the river comes within a few degrees of that mark, and it's hot enough to transform an already otherworldly rainforest into a steaming mystical paradise. It has been there for hundreds of years, and according to Amazonian tribes, it is thought to be a sacred place. We all know that gravity is the reason we all are able to stand on the surface of the Earth. A slight variation in the gravitational pull will affect us to a great extent. The gravitational field would be the same everywhere if our Earth were a perfect sphere. But our planet's surface is bumpy. And water flow, ice drift, and the movement of the tectonic plates beneath the Earth's crust all contribute in changing the pull of gravity. Before 4.6 billion years, a single day would have been roughly 6 hours long. Today, the average day is 24 hours long, and is increasing by about 1.7 milliseconds every century. The reason is that the moon is slowing down Earth's rotation through the tides that it helps create. Earth's spin causes the position of its tidal ocean parts to be pulled slightly ahead of the Earth and Moon's axis, which creates a twisting force that slows down rotation, and hence, increasing the time period of a single day. The driest place in the world, which is the Atacama Desert in northern Chile, is next to the biggest body of water, the Pacific Ocean. What an irony! Average annual rainfall in that region is just 0.8 millimeters. It is commonly believed that Atacama's Calama City saw no rainfall for about 400 years, until a sudden storm fell in 1972. Did you know that there are 2 additional asteroids locked into eco-orbital orbits with Earth? They're called as 3753 Cruithne and 2002 AA29, which are part of a larger population of asteroids known as near-Earth objects. The former measures about 5 kilometers across, and is sometimes called as Earth's second moon. Meanwhile, the latter is only 60 meters across, and comes very close to the planet every 95 years. All the planets, except for Earth, were named after Greek and Roman god and goddesses. The name Earth is an English or German name which simply means ground. It comes from the Old English word eartha. No one knows who named Earth as Earth. An Earth year is actually 365.2564 days. It's the extra 0.2564 days that has created the need of a leap year once every 4 years. That is why we stack on an extra day in February every 4 years. The exceptions to this rule is, if the year in question is divisible by 100, like 1900 or 2100, or unless it is divisible by 400, like 1600 or 2000. Many people think that the Earth is a sphere. In fact, in ancient times, this remained the main ideology of the peoples. But thanks to modern astronomy and space science, scientists came to know that the Earth is actually shaped like a squashed orange. That is, an oblate spheroid. Earth underwent several extreme climate changes, known as ice ages. The climate became so cold that some scientists believe that the Earth froze completely. This is known as the Snowball Earth. Scientists claim that the reason for this is the reductions in greenhouse gases such as methane and carbon dioxide. At that time, only microscopic and simple organisms existed beneath the icy surface. As a Strom draws its fuel, which is warm and moist air from the surrounding atmosphere, it leaves a low-pressure zone behind. Air gets carried up into the storm cloud, and some of it is forced upwards by powerful drafts. As the air then comes down, it becomes warmer and drier, and therefore more stable. This causes the people to notice a calm before the storm. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Feel free to fill the comment box with the fact about Earth that is new for you, and check out my other facts related videos.